What's up guys, welcome to a special edition of AB Auto. Now, if you saw my video a few weeks back, I teased getting my calipers painted and you guys helped me out to decide the colour. Well, I'm very excited to say the calipers have now been painted and I can't wait to show you. So, let's see. So there we have it guys, that is the calipers. I think they look absolutely awesome. I mean, this colour just pops so well against the blue. I hope you guys like this video and you found it helpful if you're looking to have this done on your car. Special shout out to Andy at Unique Detail. That's the guy who painted these for me. I will leave a link to his website in the description below if you guys want to contact him. Make sure you mention me. He's done a cracking job. I couldn't be more than happy. Please post some comments guys. I really want to hear what you think about the colour. And yeah, of course, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. See more content with the C43, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.